Hello everyone, Cooking 123. Today we're going to do some mussels and shrimp together. And we got some mussels, I got some shrimp, I got some guests tonight, so I'm doing a little bit more than I should. I got some garlic, diced up onions, and paste, tomato paste, and I got some parsley. And this is what I'm going to use today. It's really easy. It's got the diced tomato and the green chili. And I got some olive oil, and I got some Parmesan and some salt. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to take the olive oil and I'm going to put it where it's just going to cover just the base of it. About that much. Because I got a lot of stuff in there. So I'm going to let that heat up a little bit. And once this is heated up, I'm going to start putting my onions, garlic, tomato paste, and a little bit of parsley. I'm going to save some of the parsley for later on to put onto the top of it. Guess I'm reaching those out in. Okay, we'll put the onions in, the garlic, a little bit of salt. I'm going to use 2 cans, but you don't have to.
Yeah, I see.
Put a little bit of black pepper in it. You don't want to fry up anything too much. You want it on medium heat. And I'm ready to pour this. As you can see. I'm going to pour another can of it. Stir it a little bit. The reason I use this Rotella diced tomato, because as you can see, it's got a little bit of water in it, which is good because that's going to absorb everything, and it's going to it's going to cook the shrimp, and it's going to cook the mussels in there. Turn it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of tomato paste. Stir that in there. Take a little bit of parsley. You want to save a little bit of this so after it's cooked, you put it on top. Whatever you use, your fettuccine, your spaghetti. Today I'm going to be using fettuccine. Now, everything's coming to a boil. I throw my shrimp in there. stir it a little bit. Like I said, I used a lot of shrimp because I got some guests coming over tonight. And you don't have to use that much. You can use however much shrimp you want to use. Let that simmer a little bit.
I know.
No, I'm just gonna, just for flavor, I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just a little bit. Okay. Now this will simmer by itself, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the mussels in there too. Just stir it a little bit. Now, once the mussels open up, it will absorb all the juices in there. And then it gives it a really, really good flavor. And they'll open up in a little bit. They're all live, so they'll be opening up. Turn the heat down a little bit. I got it on low. Now I just cover it up a little bit and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Now we're ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of parsley. And that's really about it. Really, this is what it looks like. Maybe you do a little bit of garlic bread with it. And that's what it is. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.